Hello everybody!
Today we're going to make a DIY Halloween treat box! Yay!
I'm really excited about making this treat box. And guys, have a look around, look at our pumpkins. We've got white ones, we've got small ones, we've got paper ones. And that's, I love this, look at that. Look at that one. I think it's called a ghost pumpkin. Go on.
I made this when I was 5 years old and I called this one Cutie Pie.
Cutie pie for a Halloween spider. Now Ceyla, what do we need to create this DIY Halloween treat box?
Any box, but I choose a shoe box that I previously painted black, a pencil, some acrylic pens and a whiteboard pen, cardboard, and glow-in-the-dark sponges that I got, and it glows so well. Paper, scrap paper that my mum cut with a knife or something. An art and craft knife.
She did, and what she used with the lettering, you could either do it freehand, everybody at home, or you can go ahead and use some stencils if you have them. Now, what shall we do first then, Ceyla? Shall we go ahead and show people how to make the pumpkin?
And when Daddy is showing the pumpkin how to draw it, I'm going to colour the pumpkin that my mum cut previously.
So everybody, if you come closer this direction, we shall see how we go about making this pumpkin. So, what you do, you first of all start with an oval shape. Then you make a C, but making sure, everybody, that you find your way to the bottom each and every time. And there. Now guys, any mistake in art is no mistake at all. It's all about trying. And here, indeed. And there we are. And I'm going to put the stalk right there. Now everybody, there is a pumpkin. And that is what I'm going to be colouring in too. Now Ceyla's doing a fantastic job colouring, but there we go guys. You can make small ones, large ones, medium ones. You can make many that you'd like to do.
And guys, text in Facebook or Instagram what person I am. I'm going to give you one clue. I'm in Descendants 2.
Descendants 2. 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
Let's get our box sorted. Now, while you're doing that, I'm going to stick on the word boo with my hot
Why
glue
does it
gun.
sound like boo?
Now guys at home, if you are using a glue gun, please find an adult to help you. The glue is rather hot. So look, there we go everybody at home. We've got the words boo. Now,
Is on deck. Come now, fast girls to the town of disrespect. Look at my finished pumpkin. And I got a cat called the Pumpkin and Spice.
where do you think we should place this pumpkin, Ceyla? I'm thinking for people to see it, maybe we should put it here.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Okay. And here we go, everybody. Looking great already. Now, where shall we put those spiders? Let's just organise this. One might go there. Where?
One here.
On top there, maybe.
Yeah.
And the other one. Okay, lovely. Let's start with this one up at the very top. I'm just going to glue that right here.
I'm going to name the spiders, but comment down below. of them and I'm going to see which one is good. I will call this one Pumpkin Stalk.
Pumpkin stalk. You can see that the box is flipping like this. What we need to do is secure it, and I'm going to glue the joint shut right here on the corner, and I will show you that in a second once we've glued this. Now everybody at home, I've glued the sides with a hot glue gun. You've got to be careful again, and if you have a look, you can see it is quite sturdy now that the top does not flip backwards and forwards.
Daddy.
Everything is glued, yes.
What about we have to put the candies? The people will just want to run in the house and get the candies.
They might run in the house and get the candies, but why have we made this today? So we can put all the candies into the box and for the children to collect. Now guys at home, just before we put the candies into the box, we can also, if you have time, you could decorate this extra by putting spider webs on there. You can put the fake web around it. You can draw some ghosts, anything that you would see as Halloween art. So the world is your oyster, everybody at home. Draw what you wish. Now, let's fill our box with the candies. Now, let's stretch over there and get these sweets, candies. I'm talking like an American. And that is the finger. Show everybody at home the finger, Jake.
No, it's a toe.
It's a toe.
Foot.
Even worse.
A foot.
And we have the
Pop
popping candy. Ceyla and I are now ready for Halloween. I just need to put my costume on. Ceyla has hers. There we go.
I'm gonna tell you what I am. Mel.
Mel from Descendants.
2.
1, 2, and
3.
yes.
But the one I love is the second one because she has a fringe.
Now everybody, if you liked it, what should people do?
Like if you want to see more, subscribe. Smile with love.
Bye.